Probably. I'm gonna get
Dear
kicked out.
SpongeBob, I'll be at the Bikini Bottom Air Show tomorrow. Please meet me there so I can finally see you fly. Oh,
Might
no, what have I
get
done? What have I done?
arrested.
What have I done? I can't fly, Gary. I'm a
Now
liar.
leave.
I'm a liar.
It's during our Mother's Day sales event. And when you buy one mattress, you'll get a second one free. Make Mom proud by saving big on a quality mattress and getting a second one for free. And only Factory Mattress offers right fit sleep technology that scientifically matches a mattress to your specific needs. It's the Mother's Day
Gain
sales event going on
suspension.
now. Only at Factory Mattress, where we have sleep down to science.
So I can finally see you fly. Oh!
Big needs.
Oh, no, what
It's
have I
the
done?
Mother's
What
Day
have I
sales
done? What
event
have I
going
done?
on now.
I can't
Only at
fly,
Factory
Gary.
Mattress,
I'm
where
a
we have sleep
liar.
down to a science.
My factory mattress.
It's during our Mother's Day sales event. And when you buy one mattress, you'll get a second one free. Make Mom proud by saving big on a quality mattress and getting a second one for free. And only Factory Mattress offers right fit sleep technology that scientifically matches a mattress to your specific needs. It's the Mother's Day sales event going on now. Only at Factory Mattress, where we have sleep down to science.
My factory mattress.
Oh, no, what have I done? What have I done? What have I done? I can't fly, Gary. I'm
Big
not a
needs.
flyer.
It's the Mother's Day sales event going on now. Only at Factory Mattress, where we have sleep down to a science.
My factory